Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Through Talks podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Hello, everyone. We hope you are doing great today.
Today, we have another simple and useful English conversation for beginners.
Yes, today's topic is English conversation on the phone.
Talking on the phone in English can feel difficult because you cannot see the other person's face.
Exactly. So today we will practice easy and natural phone conversations used in daily life.
Okay, Daniel. Imagine I'm calling you for the first time today.
All right, let's begin.
Hello?
Hi, Sarah.
Oh, hi, Daniel. How are you?
I'm doing well. What about you?
I'm good too. Sorry for calling so late.
No problem at all. I was just relaxing at home.
Sorry for calling so late is a polite sentence.
Yes, people often say this when they call at night or during busy hours. Do you enjoy talking on the phone?
Sometimes, but honestly, I prefer texting
Really? Why?
because phone calls can feel awkward sometimes.
I understand.
What about you?
I prefer phone calls because conversations feel more natural.
That's true. Text messages can sometimes be misunderstood.
Let's practice another phone conversation.
Good idea.
Hello, may I speak to Sarah, please?
Speaking.
Hi, Sarah. This is Daniel.
Oh, hello, Daniel.
Are you free tomorrow afternoon?
Yes, I think so. Why?
Would you like to meet for coffee?
Sure, that sounds nice. May I speak to is a very common phone phrase.
Yes, and speaking means the person is already on the phone.
Daniel, do you still remember phone numbers?
Not really. My phone remembers everything for me.
Same here. I only remember my own number.
Technology has made us lazy.
Haha, maybe a little.
Imagine the phone connection is bad now.
Okay.
Hello? Sarah? Can you hear me?
Yes, but your voice is breaking up.
Oh no. Let me move to a better place.
Okay, that's better now. Your voice is breaking up means the sound is unclear.
Exactly. Poor phone connections happen sometimes. Have you ever accidentally called the wrong person?
Oh yes, it was very embarrassing.
What happened?
I called someone thinking it was my friend, and I started talking immediately. Then the person said, I think you have the wrong number.
That sounds awkward.
Very awkward.
I once answered the phone half asleep.
What happened?
I said, "Love you," at the end of the call by mistake.
Haha, no way.
Yes, and it was a delivery driver.
That's hilarious. Let's practice useful phone phrases together.
Great idea.
Hello, who is this?
This is Daniel speaking.
Can you hear me?
The connection is bad.
I'll call you back later.
Talk to you soon.
These are very useful daily English phrases.
Especially for phone conversations and online calls.
Daniel, do you prefer voice calls or video calls?
Probably voice calls. Video calls make me nervous sometimes.
Really?
Yes, because I never know where to look at the camera.
Haha, I understand that feeling.
Many people use English while talking on the phone for work, too.
That's true. So learning simple phone English is very useful.
Even basic phrases can help you communicate confidently.
Okay, Daniel. Imagine I need to end the call now.
All right?
I need to go now. I'll talk to you later.
Okay. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Take care is a friendly way to say goodbye.
Yes, especially with friends or family.
Today, we practiced many useful English phone conversations.
We talked about calling friends, bad connections, wrong numbers, and everyday phone phrases.
And practicing conversations like this can help improve your English speaking confidence.
Thank you so much for listening to English Through Talks podcast.
We hope this easy English conversation helped improve your listening and speaking skills.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, do you prefer texting or phone calls?
We would love to hear your answers.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye.